Excuse me, ma'am. We got cameras.
Oh, what's those? Empress.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I found this on the car at the casino. What's this about? You know, I be doing a little gambling at the casino on the slot machine. It say something about change my luck. Yeah, I had to come on over here and see what's going on.
Hey, Miss Brother, how you doing? I'm so glad you came here and bought this flyer in here. Elegua Botanica is a spiritual store, and what we do is we teach intentional magic for people to learn how to use their intention to manifest what they need. Now, we do sell the products. This is that flyer that you see. We sell those products. And the package that I'm going to put together for you is what you're going to use to get your intention lined up so you can manifest the things you need. Baby girl, let me tell you what I got going on. Child, I went down there to that casino and my whole Social Security check gone. I don't know what I'm going to do. I've been praying to the Lord. But I seen that flyer and it said, look. And I need to know what it's for. But let me tell you what the problem is. I spent all my money at the casino. And there was a lady in there. She had some stuff she was rubbing on her. She jacked. Girl, you came to the right place.
I need that same look, honey. Ooh, I need that same look. Can I get oil? Drop my damn hat. My hat. What you got in here for look? I want to know what the look is about. Cause honey, they say you're on time God, but he ain't moving what the look for me, honey. I got to get it. You know what I'm saying?
I know that's right, Miss Pearl.
Get a little twerk going on. Hey, now what you got going on? Tell me what this stuff about in you. Cause you know back in the day, my great-great-great-grandmama, they used to go to them people with the dots on their head.
And at that moment, Miss Pearl knew she was in the right place.
I need to know what I need because I know it works. But can you tell me what I need to make it work? Child, yeah. Now, show me the look stuff because I need to get me some of it. What it do?
So, Miss Pearl, this kit right here is pertaining to changing your look and removing bad looks. All of these items right here are going to help you change it into what you need it to be, and it's going to happen quick when you do the work.
You say all this stuff right here gonna cost me $75.90?
So, Miss Pearl, when you're doing magic, you're going to have to set the whole environment as an intention. Everything over here is intentional things to make your life align with what you're trying to do. So right here we have a fast luck herbal bath. You're gonna boil this and you're gonna mix it with this Elegua Botanica bath. Elegua is the deity of the crossroad. He opened doors. So all of this is like 101 herbs in here mixed in this bath. You're gonna mix these two together after you boil it. And then you're gonna light your incense, your fast luck incense. You're gonna let that bath sit for a little bit. You're gonna spray the room with this lottery spray. You're gonna spray a little bit of that. Once you do all that, you're going to take a shower with this money drawing soap. You're gonna wash with it, and then you're gonna rinse that soap off, and then the bath that you mix with this, you're gonna pour it on you and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it off. You're gonna rinse, not scrub. Once you do that, you're gonna take this oil right here and you're gonna dress the candles. Now I need you to light this jinx removing candle first so you can get all that negative energy out of the way. You're gonna light this one first, and then after you light that one, you're gonna light this one. And then guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna take this Lucky Done cologne and you're gonna sprinkle a little bit on you. And you're gonna sprinkle this a little bit on you, honey, and you're gonna go to that casino and you're gonna get your money. Be back with all your sisters from the church.
Oh my God!
Now what you say I was supposed to do with that bath, baby? Tell me one more time. I don't think I'm near old time.
Miss Pearl, let me tell you about this bath before you leave. This is a Elegua roll opener bath. It has 101 herbs in it. We hand make it. It sits before the altars. when you are doing this bath, the bath is to open up your roads. It's an intentional bath. So as you are pouring this bath on you, you are supposed to be in the mind state of that you're winning. It's going to help open those doors. You can do a chant. You can speak to yourself and say, I'm winning. Whatever your intention is, this bath is most definitely going to help your roads open up. This is one of the #1 sellers at Elegua Botanica. I promise you, ma'am. Elegua Botanica open road bath is going to help you open up your doors. So remember, you shake the bath, and as you're shaking it, you pour it on you. You let it sit for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you rinse off lightly. And then you go and do whatever it is you're going to do, whether it's meditation, going to the casino, or just going out the door to have a great day. Once you get these herbs on you, you're going to attract the right spirits to do what you need them to do.
Don't know like I know. Say you don't know like I know.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to order your kits and get a copy of the Candle Magic book.